everyone, in this video we will talk about strings in Python. We will start from very basic and then we will go to the advanced. So first of all, we'll know what is a string. So strings are sequences of characters included in quotes. These quotes can be single quote, double quote and triple quote. This is an example of a string. So if we will print this, we can see its output. Output is Sam for name 1, Sam for name 2, and this is a multi-line string for Sam for paragraph. So we can see that single quote and double quotes can be used interchangeably, but we can for multi-line string we cannot use double quotes. For multi-line string you can use only triple quotes. So if we print this, we'll get an error. So if we see this, we'll get an error. So it's saying that it is not ending with a double quote. So we have to end that string in the same line. Now we'll talk about string indexing. So string in Python is, and in any other language, the string starts with a zero index. In Python, there is extra that we can use negative indexing also. That is, we can start from backward. So this is the last -1 index. This is -2. This is -3. So we'll try to print the zero index of name 1 as will be printed. Uh, -1 index of name 2 m will be printed, and second index of name 1 m will be printed. Now we'll talk about string operations. There are many operations like concatenation, repetition, length, and slicing. So this is example of slicing. So we have sliced from 0 till 7th index. So its output is this. So we are giving there is 7. So we are telling that we need the string from 0 till 6th index. That is 7 is not inclusive. It is exclusive. We can also use the -1. -1 will till last index. So we'll print this. G is not printed because we are not including -1. Then there is a repeat concatenation. So there was first word is hello, second word is world, and we want a space between them, and we are concatenating with the operator plus. So if we'll print this, we'll get output hello world. So this is the output. Word 1 was hello, word 2 was hello world, and word 3 is hello world with a space. If we'll remove this, then the word is concatenated without any space. So it is concatenated without any space. Next is repetition. So repetition is done by using sign of star symbol. We want to repeat it 3 times, so we have used star then 3. If we will try to print the length of the word, so we can see that length of the word 1 was 5, but the length of the repeated word, as we have repeated 3 times, it is becoming 15. Now we'll talk about string methods. There are many methods, some of which we will learn in this video. So we'll start with the example. So first of all, we'll see dot upper method. So what does dot upper do? Dot upper changes the character from lowercase to uppercase. So we have printed, so all the characters are changed to uppercase. Similarly, dot lower, what dot lower does? It changes all the character to the lowercase. Similarly, there is dot title. So what dot title does is it makes the all the first character of the all the words as uppercase and remaining character lowercase. We can see in this is I is uppercase, S is lowercase, multiline M is uppercase and remaining characters are lowercase. Then there is dot strip. So what dot strip it does is it removes all the leadings and ending spaces. So all the 3 spaces are removed. We can see its output all 3 spaces, and at the end also spaces are removed. Then there is a dot replace. So what this is saying, in dot replace we are giving out input hello and hi. So all the hello are replaced with the hi. If we see its output, instead of hello world hello python, hi world hi python is printed. Now there is another use. Uh, in this case, we just want to replace apple to banana in the first two instances, not all the instances. So we are giving one more input 2. So it's out in the output, first and second apple are replaced with banana, but the third apple is not replaced. Then there is dot split. So what dot split? That is, if we are not giving any input in this, it just split by seeing the spaces. So it gives output a list containing the splitted word, and it is split by space. But if we are giving any input, for example, in this case, we are giving input as comma, so it will split uh, using comma as a delimiter. For example, there was a comma, so it has splitted apple. Then there is a comma, it is splitted bananas, apple, banana, grape, and orange. And output of this is a list. And then there is dot join, which is just opposite of dot split. So dot join give taking input a list of strings gives output a string containing, and if we, there we are giving space, so it is joined using space between the word. If we use any other thing, for example comma then space, it will be joined by using this joining. So comma space, there comma and space between two words. Then there is dot starts with, so it checks if the text start with the given word. So hello world was starting with hello, so it's giving true, and not starting with word, so it is giving false. Dot start with another. For example, there are we're giving only one input. If we are giving another input as an integer, so it will start checking from the seventh from that index. If you are giving 7, so it will check if from the 7 index if the text start with the given input. So if we see this text start with the word from the 7 index, so it's giving output true. Similarly, there is end with, so this is ends with word, so true. Doesn't end with hello, so it's giving false. There is another uh, use where we can give more than one string .txt, .csv, and .txt. If the string end in one of these, then the output should be true. So there is a true because this ends in .txt. Then there is a method called .find, which checks if the string we are giving in the input is present in the text as a substring or not. If it is present, then the output is the index of that string. If it is not present, then the output is -1. For example, world is present at 7th index and Python is not present, so output is -1. There is uh, another method which is .find, which does the same thing like dot. So dot index, we did the same thing like dot find, but there is a problem. Dot index, if the word is present, then it gives the correct output. But if it is not present, it gives error, not a -1 like dot find. Now the next method is dot count. Dot count counted the number of the appearance of this substring in the given string. So if we see apple is present 3 times, so output is 3, and banana is present for 1 time, so the output is 1. Then there is another method which is formatting. This is used when we want to use some variable inside the string. So we'll see its use case. In this string, we want the using two variable name and age. So we can do it by this. It starts with f, and in the curly bracket we will use the variables. We'll print this. We can see the output. The output is hello Alice. You are 25 years old. So name is replaced by this variable output, and age is replaced by this output. There is another example where x and y and its operation is also used. There is another type of formatting where the string we are not giving any variable, we are just using curly bracket, and in the last we are using dot format and giving the output. So if we see its output, it's doing the same thing. Uh, there also it can also be used in this way. This is also giving the same output. Now in the string there are also uh, escape sequences like \n, which means new line, \t, which means tab. There are other things also, and raw string. We'll see all these in examples. Let's see it in examples. So these are the examples. So if you see there we have used \n, which are creating a new line between hello and world. There is \t. So between name and Alice there is a tab. There is also a tab, and there is backslash. So backslash double quote. So only double quote is printed and not backslash. If you see there double quote, so if you want to print double quote inside a double quotes, we can use backslash. There if we want to use backslash, so we have to use two backslash. There are two backslash. For two black backslash, only one backslash is used. And this is raw string. Means whatever will be inside the double quote, that is printed. In this backslash is not used as a special character when we are using raw string. So its output is just printed as it was. So we can see that. So that's all about strings in Python. If you have liked this video, then please subscribe and follow for more content. Thank you very much.